Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Got another one of those Dodge Challengers for you. 2010 model. Came in, customer wanted to keep the factory color but just add to it. So what we did was we added orange flakes, and then he wanted to two-tone the rims, orange and black. Sitting on 24s. All this is paint on the vehicle, no decals. Customer wanted to separate this one from the other ones that's in the street. The rims were chrome. Now they're painted to match the vehicle. Like all the other ones, this one was wet sand and buffed out. It's a little gloomy outside right now, but you can still see the deep gloss. John's Restoration. We are located on Princess Anne Road in Virginia Beach, Virginia. 5716 Princess Anne Road. Email address is johnsrestoration@aol.com. We're also on Facebook. John's Restoration 2. Located on Facebook. We also have pictures on Instagram, John's JOHNS_restoration on Instagram as well. Give us a call if you need something done. Remember, we go out of state up to 400 miles one way to pick up a vehicle if you want your vehicle restored. The number is 757-713-2277. And remember, like I always say, we're not just a custom shop. We also do insurance claims. So if your vehicle is vandalized or damaged from an accident, give us a call. We can take care of that too. If you want your interior redone, whether it's custom or back to factory, we can take care of that also. And we also do audio. We have the audio aspect as well. Back factory or custom on that as well. John's Restoration, the number once again is 757-713-2277.